Hello and welcome to Schoology Basics. This is video 2, Navigating Schoology. In this video, we're going to discover the features of Schoology using a phone or tablet. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up our Schoology app. In our Schoology app, there are lots of different features. If you are unable to get into your Schoology app on your phone or tablet, you can always go into Schoology following your instructions from the previous video on how to log into Schoology on your web browser on your phone or tablet. So in our Schoology app, there are several different features. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the different menu items at the bottom of our screen. You might see a little clock icon. What that's going to do is show you the most recent activity in your Schoology account. It's going to show different things that you may have done or other people have done. The next icon is going to take you back to your class menu where you can see all of your different courses and you can access the material in those courses. The next button that we're going to take a look at is this little pin. This little push pin button will show you if you have any assignments that have not been graded yet, or if you have any assignments that you need to resubmit or that you did resubmit. And then the last button we're going to look at is your upcoming events calendar button. And that's going to show you any assignments or tests or anything that your teacher has assigned that you have coming up that it's a reminder for you to complete. It's a great one to check out on a regular basis to see what you've got going on. And now we're going to go back to our main screen. The next menu I'm going to show you has a couple of different ways you can get to it. One of the ways you can get to it is by clicking those 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner that some people call the Hamburger Menu. So you just tap on that, and it's going to take you to that menu where you have access to many different features in Schoology. We're going to look at those in just a minute. Another way of accessing that menu is by swiping to the right, and you can get to that menu easily that way as well. So in that menu, there is your name at the top, so you can take a look. You can change out your profile picture, that sort of thing. You can see if you have any messages. There's a little red dot next to that message icon. That's going to let you know that you have messages in your inbox. That's a great way for you to communicate with your teachers, and they can communicate with you. Any messages that you send your teacher is going to show up also in their email, their school district email. And any messages they send back to you, you can also access through your school district email. So always make sure that you're checking out your messages if you have a red icon next to it, if you have a red button next to the icon. Your notifications, same sort of thing. Things may change in your class. Things may update in your class. If you have that little red dot next to your notifications, you want to check it out and see what you've got going on. You may have requests for different things, or people may have requests of you. There's also access to your home. That home is going to take you right back to your class screen. Your courses take you back to that class screen. You may be placed in small groups from your teachers to do group projects or other things. So that's a great way to quickly access those things. Resources, your teachers may have specific things that they want you to use as far as materials for their class, or you might save certain resources that you really like that you want to just get to quickly. Grades, you can see what grades you got on different assignments or tests. Calendar is going to tell you what you have coming up in your classes. People is going to show you who you have in your classes. And then at the bottom, you've got your account settings if you need to adjust anything there. And then you have your help center if you have any questions about things that your teacher can't answer. And then you've got your logout. So if you need to log out, it's going to get you there. And I do not wish to log out. So now I'm going to go into one of my classes and just take a look at some of the features in those classes. So here's a sample class. So in this class, I have access to the materials in the class. So I've got, and if you look at the bottom of your screen, you've got a couple more of these icons that'll get you to these different items. So I have a couple tests in here, a couple quizzes in here. I've got a folder, so I can open up this folder and it'll show me what is inside that folder just by tapping on it. And you tap on the folder again and it'll minimize it. There's an assignment to complete, and there's a couple discussions that you can participate in this particular class. Your teacher may have different materials for you to use in your class that may link you to other websites or different assignments. Under updates, that's going to have updates specifically for that class, not updates for all your classes, just the class that you're in. Upcoming, again, this is going to be just for that class. And then we've got the calendar so you can see what you have coming up on particular dates. And then gradebook, you'll be able to see what grades you have in that class. And then more, you'll be able to see attendance and members of the class. As far as attendance, you probably are not going to see much in there because we take attendance through PowerSchool. So then to get back to the main class page, you just kind of click that arrow and it's going to take you back to your classes. And that is basically all of your features on your app in Schoology and how you find different things.